Students, now we will do chapter 7. The name of chapter is Financial Arithmetic and exercise number 7C, question number 2. Okay, students, I am doing it on 29 July, but you will not write this date on your notebooks. Rather, when you will do this work, you will write the date of that day when you will do your work. Let's read the question. The question is okay, now is it clear? Okay, the question is, an electronic watch is sold for rupees 840 at a profit of rupees 90. Find its cost price and profit percent. Again, I am reading the question because it was blur before. Now it is clear. An electronic watch is sold for rupees 840 at a profit of rupees 90. Find its cost price and profit percent. This question is about the electronic watch that is sold for rupees 840, and when it was sold we got profit of 90 rupees, and we don't know what is the cost price, so we have to find the cost price and we have to find the profit percent. Okay, now the given, first we have to write the given and required. We know the given is 840, which is the sale price, and we know rupees 90 is the profit. This is given, and required is find cost price. We have to find the cost price and profit percent. We have to find the profit percent, profit, and this is the sign of percent. We have to find profit percent. Okay, now using the formula to find the cost price, to find the cost price we will use the formula, right? We will use the formula of cost price. Cost price, look this, cost price equals sale price minus profit. Sale price is 840 and rupees 90 is the profit. This is formula, and we have put the value in the formula. When we will subtract 90 from 840, it will gives us cost price, which is 750. Now using we have done our cost price. Now the next step is we have to find the profit percent. We have to find the profit percent. So using the formula to find the profit percent, we have to use formula to find the profit percent. So you should know what is the formula to find the profit percent. The formula to find profit percent is profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. This is the formula, you should know it. Profit is in the numerator, cost price is in the denominator, multiply by 100%. Okay, next step is very easy. We have to put the values. Okay, the value of profit is 90 rupees, value of cost price is 750. Profit is in the numerator, 90 will be in the numerator, cost price is in the denominator, 750 will be in the denominator. Multiply by 100. Now next step is cancelling. We have to cancel the denominator with the numerator. Both have a common factor, which is 5. Now 75 and 100 both have a common factor, which is 5. So 100 divided by 5 gives us 20, and 75 divided by 5 gives us 15. Now we have got 9 upon 15, this 15, 9 upon 15 multiply by 20, this is 20. Now this we have to cancel 15 and 4 because both have a common factor 5. 20 divided by 5 gives us 4, and 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. Next will be 9 upon 3. This 9 upon 3 multiply by 4%. Now 9 and 3 both have a common factor, which is 3. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, and 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Multiply by 4%. Now 3 times 4 gives us 12 in the denominator 1. So 3 times 4 gives us 12.